Can't log into Roblox because the two-step verification code isn't coming? Well, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can get into your account even if you're not receiving the two-step verification code. So let's get started. Solution 1. First, go to roblox.com with the browser of your choice. Then enter your details and click on Login. Now when this pops up, just click on Use another verification method. Then select Backup Code. Now just enter in one of the backup codes you got when you turned on two-step verification or when you generated them. Then click on Verify. If the code is correct, you'll instantly be logged into your account. Solution 2. If you don't have any backup code saved, try contacting the Roblox support team. To do this, go to roblox.com/support. Then enter your birthday and click on Next. Then enter your username. Next, enter your parent or guardian's email address in both of these boxes. Now click here and select PC from the drop-down menu. After that, select the Help category. For us, it should be Account Hacked or Can't Log In. Then choose Two-Step Verification from the next box. Lastly, type in the issue in the field below and click on Submit. Next, you'll need to solve a puzzle. After that, your request will be noted and they'll reach out to help you with the issue. So that's about it, guys. If the video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.